I repeat the question. If you could change one thing in your life, what would it be?
Thank you for the question, Haley. I wouldn't change anything about me. If I happen to change something about me automatically, then that would not be me. That would be someone else. And yes, I don't want to be someone else. I want to be me. And God created me like this. God created me, gave me this mind. God had given me this heart to love everyone. And this life given by God, I won't change a thing about it, because whatever it may be, bad or good, it's all given from God. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 1. Next, contestant number 3, Gaisilung Liu Pamai, will be asked by a ma'am Ramning Pame.
Check.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
I know you're feeling so cold, in fact, all of you. Okay, here are the questions. Why do we choose you tonight from among the other contestants?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I believe that every contestant among us is different and unique from each other, and everyone has a special qualities in each of them. And and I would say that I too have a unique creation by God too.
Shall I repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Why should we choose you tonight from the other contestant?
Okay. I don't need to convince either the judges or the audience that I deserve tonight, because the potential one is always the chosen one. And I believe that it is just our hard work that it should be done. And I'm doing my best in this pageant by wearing all the creative dressing which my designer has made, and showing my God-given talent and the beauty. So seeing the contentment in everyone's eyes of my perfection shows that I deserve so much of the title today. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Cue contestant number 3, Gaisilung Liu Pamai. Up next we have contestant number 4, TK Darshini, and the question will be picked by our ma'am Soma.
Hello, TK Darshini.
Hello, ma'am.
You look beautiful with your white gown.
Thank you so much, and so you are.
Thank you. My question for you is, what is the role of public services in promoting women empowerment?
Thank you so much for the question. Good evening, Tamenglong, once again. The question is, what is the role of the public servant, right?
Yes, what is the role of public service? services.
in promoting the women empowerment.
Yeah.
Speaking on the note of women empowerment, we women are already empowered to say, for instance, leading in the industrial world, entrepreneurship. Women are already empowered, and through the public services, we are even gaining more. And to be honest, what I feel and what I believe today is we don't need the word empowered anymore, because we are already empowered. In the family, look, in this century, women are considered very high in the family, especially in the Christian family. We are kept at a higher status, so I don't feel like women should be empowered anymore, because we are already empowered by ourselves. Thank you so much.
Bon Hiu Sri Ne Hiu Lo Gai Khao. Thank you, TK Darshini. Up next we have the contestant number 6, and Selena Chanu, which will be questioned by our respected jury, Sakaningai Riamai.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good evening, Selena.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. The question I have for you is, would you ever give a good lie, a small harmless lie, for a good cause?
That's a very great question. And once again, good evening, one and all present here. Sir, can you repeat the question once again?
Yes. Selena, my question here is, would you ever tell a small harmless lie for a good cause?
Yes, I will obviously tell a lie for a good cause, because if it is a good cause, it may not harm anybody. So instead of like hurting anyone, if it is for a good cause, like it's okay to lie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Selena Chanu. And next is contestant number 7, Vahoy Chong Haukip, which will be questioned by a respected ma'am, Aguina.
Good evening, Vahoy Chong.
Good evening, ma'am.
So here's my question to you. If I say pageant girls are go-getters who strive to do a better job than average people, would you agree or not? Give reasons.
May you please repeat the question?
If I say pageant girls, beauty pageant, are go-getters who strive to do a better job than average people, would you agree to this statement? If you say yes, you give me your reasons.
Obviously, I would agree that, because we the beauty pageant have each and every qualities a woman have. We are more, so to say, we are more talented than a normal girl, I should say, because we can speak fluently, we can stand in front of everyone, walking the ramp, and we can do everything in front of everyone, because a normal girl cannot do all this kind of stuff. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vahoy Chong Haukip. And next we have contestant number 8, Helen Kamai, which will be questioned by a respected jury, Sir Sarat, Assistant Commissioner.
Good evening, Helen.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, this is my question. Let's hope that you win the pageant today. And after winning the pageant, how would you contribute in making Tamenglong more popular on the world map, and how would you contribute to the development of Tamenglong in general?
If I happen to win this contest, Orange Miss, then I will do anything to promote the orange growers, and I will respect them, I will motivate them, and I will also learn from them. And I will always pray to God that they get a good health so that every year they can make more and more proud of Tamenglong. And I will always hold my hand together with them no matter what the circumstances is. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Helen Kamai. And we have now contestant number 11, Shalina Saikom, which will be questioned by our respected jury, Sir Heli.
Hello, Selina. I won't take much time.
Hello, sir.
Okay, I'll come directly to the question. What is the greatest gift you can give to someone? What is the greatest gift that you can give to someone?
Thank you for this beautiful question, sir. For me, the greatest gift would be my smile. Because my smile can change someone who is unhappy and make that person smile, make that person happy. So I believe that my smile is the greatest gift that I can give to a person. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Selena Saikom. And now we have contestant number 12, Ipai Wangle Pame, which will be questioned by our respected jury, Sir Kaningai Riamai.
Good evening, Ipai Wangle.
Hello, sir.
The question I have for you is a very interesting one. If you will get an honest answer to one question from any one person in the world, what would that question be, and to whom would you ask that question?
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
If you would be granted a wish to get an answer from any one person tonight, what would that question be, and to whom would you ask?
Thank you, sir, for your question. That question I will ask to my lovely mom because she will give me the honest answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Ipai Wangle Pame. And next we have contestant number 13, Sangboliu Maren Mai, which will be questioned again by our Sir Sarat, Assistant Commissioner.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, my question for you is, what is that one quality in you which you are proud of and that you would like to see the same quality in others as well? One quality.
The fact that I'm a woman is already a reason to be proud of.
No, I would like to repeat the question. I'm asking about quality, one quality in you which you are proud of.
I'm loving, and I want everyone to be to possess the same thing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sangboliu Maren Mai. And now, the contestant number 20, Shushna Maibum, which will be questioned by a respected Madame again, Madame Aguina.
Here's my question. If you were an orange grower in Tamenglong, how would you ensure you produce a good harvest regularly every year?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
You just imagine yourselves that you were an orange grower in Tamenglong. So how would you make sure that you produce a good quality of oranges every year?
Thank you for the beautiful question, ma'am. And hello, good evening again to all the Tamenglong people. My answer to your question is, ma'am, can you please repeat the question again?
Okay, I'll change the questions. What is your vision for Tamenglong?
Thank you for the answer. Tamenglong people, they are a very, very sweet people, and they have a very, very good hospitality. And you know, my vision is I can see as a real, you know, the real loving people who have a pure and good heart. So that when I go back to Imphal or when I go back to anywhere, any other place, I will tell that Tamenglong people is a really, really good people and who have a good heart. Thank you.
Thank you.
The question round is over. Thank you, jury. Thank you, ladies. Music, please, for the ladies. Hello, Tamenglong. Shall we give them a big hand once more? Question round hay luai lau kan the kan yu ta than chui na tha lau kan ne jury nun ka guai rona kan yu ka guai na tani pai na dai na thun ku e khat ni hau gai mai ru ka pa pa lau na ba mai ka guai na tani pai na dai na thun ku e. Music, please, so that the ladies can walk back. After which we will be once more shake. Those were the 10 selected. Congratulations, ladies, once more. And up next, we have to shake us again on stage. Anh em mình quay na ta ti lom lau ta ka loi khang. Tao hai ru select selau mai khau terana pangu hai pada pani. Midak khau hai mai quay na ta ti lom lau ta ka loi khang anh yêu renan zia na ba mai ka hao na ba mai kinh ni na ba mai. Mr. Zai ka mai ko man tao tu Tamenglong lang mai alam nu the.
Alo. Su thế đi. Công của tôi đi. Đánh cô ơi. Hawaii bắc đại. À đi làm thế ấy. Lúc này nào, hầu này khâu sao mình kinh chậm một tóc khổ. Thay cho đứa bấm này gan hồi ngân sẻ thôi. Hầu gai mày hầu đâu nà. Dịp xì bấm bụng ấy đây. Thái không bên này tôi xuân dầm luôn thế. Âu rây khâu tay mồ à lung đi. Đây là mày rưới na bà đi qua. Nắng lung là đây ai rưới thái bà na. Lung khâu nâng lung la mà thắng cọc khẩn lỗ đồ mấy quên à sen ngoại nó khổ đi ba mình xoắn nó khổ đi mấy quên là su thế mấy quên là làm giảm độc hồ ba mày ở lùng đình sai mấy quên bắt lỗ ta bùa anh quên mấy quên có đúng cái sen ngoại phải đi đích xích đừng quên bác ha mấy quên nó ta khách bao lâuเขาถึงได้ไปประตู
ส่วนนับปนี้อันนี้จะ result ใส่ top 5 finalists ใส่ ready สุนับแม่ไม่กวยนากุนซุยนากุนเรานับปัวคันนี้จูลังไม่นั้นก็กวยตายลู่ให้หนูกายนับแม่ไม่กวยนั่นแหลมซุยนั่นแหลมเราเลยนะไม่ with the top 5 finalists อันนี้ไม่กวยนะคนสำหรับคอแต่ละจางกวยนะมีตรงเอง
จังผมรู้เขาสินะบักทีจังผมรู้น้ำปุ่มบานน้ำยาวกงน้ำจานตันน้ำต้นแค่เข้าไกกันจังมุนก็ไม่อาคำอาลูชวนอาลัดชานังขังดาวละโวน้ำตาจะเล่าเทียลุกลุยกุมเรียเย่จะรุยมุนพวงกุมนาอาลุกในเขานังรุยกันเทพุทธาจะพูดรู้อาศัยด้วยเท่าลานานังลมให้อาคังรวยตีบัดโตอาจำลำมาลุสุลาโตอาลูสวนด้วยน้ำตาหอยบางเมเจ้าปาลุนาโรนังลำเจผมรู้วันเช้านะวันบ่มอคอยดูผู้สู้นะบังบูนีผู้ให้กุมการนะบังดีโกนั่งจำได้ไม่ได้ควันบ่เมดาวบานแล้วนะโดนังลำเจดาวละโวนั่งตาจะเล่าเทียลุกtao hề mấy người na kinh đi bấm mẹ cái sản thai khoaiคนkinh lục cảคนđi sản thai cái tuang lu dekat dia na palu tu
hello. I would love to dedicate this song for the Army Zawan. Sibai pangway, gat soi pa me gway hang lu khana solo tana, kal ho na ho solo ho. Tiếng xích thế, lúc xoay mấy người nên phải nên ra xịt thế cũng bầm xịt mấy người nó ta này la na cũng là ในลาบัมนี่มีแต่เฮาไปจางเลยนะกูได้บังตุนเทมิวสิก
घड़ी बदल रही है डूब जिंदगी साओ है कभी कभी है रूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी साओ है कभी कभी है रूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो हसीन है उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो ओ मेहरबान कल हो न हो हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी साओ है कभी कभी है रूप जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो जो है समा कल हो न हो ला 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 ला
Next song. Sakan tingzin khat kho guru jingam de ning taw masna solo kho
Milu hai loye dun hai top 5 finalists to result at Padapani.
Sakan tingzin khat kho
สมัย Mr. กสังไทยก่อนไหมหนูก้อยไม่รู้ส่วนเรากันไหมอาจุกับกวยนะขังตาไม่กวยนะบอลได้นะหิวเราตะขอรับที่แมงเราไม่ซีรีงามให้นาแต่ถ้าแถวตะไกแล้วคนนี้ Top 5 Trong results hay bật bật như thế Cấm lên là top 5 results hay announce với tôi thầy Cả nhiều quên nó rồi là bầm là bật ní The top 5 finalists who are selected for the next round, which is the written round, are requested to take the seat once we results out the contestant number who was selected in the top 5 finalists of the 15th State Level Orange Festival Orange Queen Contest 2018. Here, hello to Bangalore, this is the results. Top 5 finalists. Guess who will be the first one here? Alright, let's go a little faster. Contestant number 3. Guys, sing Long Liu Pa Mai. Music, please. Ru kapa palau mi khâu, pangu kapa lau tan mi khâu. Contestant number 3, guys sing Long Liu Pa Mai. The selected one for top 5. In the meantime, the ladies can put on their warm clothes while the written round would be taken. Contestant number 4, TK Darshini. Ladies, can I come out with the warm clothes? Selected one in the top 5 finale is contestant number 6 and Selena Chano. The feeling won't let me sleep 'cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. Next, only 2 left. Hello to Bangalore. Only 2 left in the top 5 finalists. Here is the another one. Contestant number 8, Helen Kamai. Girls can put on warm clothes. Might need your company tonight. And the last one selected in the top 5 finalists is contestant number 11, Selena Saikom. Is all it takes, falling in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. One kiss ladies are requested to bring warm clothes as they started off with their written round. Contestant nun ko guai hai sulang the ko bizang roi kani tong phai bon lum me tai piu nu de assistant nun ko guai dress to lau podiu bung zang hoi ye kum connect to thai question akha thai gon pangu ma khang chop ra me question akha thai pop lau pani ko me de kani ko guai ne roi na mi tong question tong answer tai gai ngan me khau minute ka thom ti pani kani roi na mi tong minute ka thom long kha ta hi khang the Ladies, congratulations, and you can take the seat for the written round. Please have a seat. All the top 5 finalists will be given same question, and you will be given 3 minutes maximum time to write it down the answer, after which the written round will be closed. Request the contestants, the top 5 finalists, to fill up the contestant number in your own seat. The contestant are requested to fill in your contestant number clearly in the paper and your names. Once it is done, the question will be read out twice. All ladies ready? We will read down the question. The question is same for all the 5. We will read it out twice, and for the public, we will explain the question once more, and then we will give you the time to start writing. I will read out the question twice, only for the top 5 finalists. After reading out twice, we will be giving you the time to start writing. I hope all the volunteers at the back are very much attentive with all the ladies. This is the question. For all the top 5 finalists, why do you think Orange Queen Contest is so important for Orange Festival? Give reasons. Once more, why do you think Orange Queen Contest is so important for Orange Festival? Give reasons. 3 minutes is given to you. Your time starts now. One minute left. Thirty seconds left. $20 left. 10 left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time's up. Music please as the ladies walk back. The top 5 finalists, ladies, will walk backstage. And the Best Designer Award will be given out by a respected Sir SDO Tamai, Sir Robertson Assem. May I have the honor to invite a respected Sir Robertson Assem, SDO Tamai, to please be on the stage to hand over the award for the Best Designer of the 15th State Level Orange Screen Contest 2018. And the Best Designer Award goes to Nyopi Chongloi, designer of Ms. Naiho Ching Chongloi, contestant number 14. The Best Designer of the 15th State Level Orange Screen Contest 2018 is Nyopi Chongloi, the designer of Ms. Naiho Ching Chongloi, contestant number 14. May we have you please on the stage, the Best Designer, Nyopi Chongloi. Shall we all give her a hand? The Best Designer, Nyopi Chongloi, designer of Ms. Naiho Ching Chongloi, contestant number 14. Tao hai jury nun runa answer ta zao na bomi gan khao gai dim gang mai kamai runa stage la lo pudiu gai dim gang mai. Again, we will have a time with Mr. Azai again. Migwai nami hain khop mi supani. Có mi giang rồi. Anh yêu đếnจากกองสุนบะไม่คันนี้อันนี้กวยนั่นต้องแสดงร้องฟิล์มฟอรัมเบียร์ทั้งด้วยคันนี้อันนี้มีกวยนั่นรักหาวนะบะไม่อาศัยก็ไม่ก็ไม่รู้นะสเตจแต่ละเราต้องกวยปัวมีแต่รวยกันในไทยอันนี้ต้องขับไม่ต้อง result ใส่กุมปัดปนิเท
ฮัลโหล
ไม่กวยนั่นเรียนรอกันแท้จูนินจูแท้เนียนหนึ่งแท้ก้มเสนีน่ะอันนี้นินจูแท้ก็ไม่กี่เฮาก้อยไม่นุนอาศัยกอมลาเลียมากระทวงไม่เขากระจ่างไม่นุนก็กวยหันนินจูสีนะเรียนราศีนะบำไงเด้กำลังนั่นนี่ไม่กวยนักแข่งสามเราคอคันนี้เท่าเดินนะมิตรไทเทล Orange Queen 2018ให้รอปนิเจ้าตัวไม่กวยนะมากุมกายบำพวงแง่กับขันนะบำพวงแง่กอนปงโง่ให้ปัดเทกำไมดนานิ่งสตรีไม่กำไมดนาเจ้าจุยเลยนะมีให้รอหนูพวงแง่ตัวไม่กับขันนะบำไอ้พวงแง่กำลังนั่นนี่ไม่กวยนะกระดามให้รอนสามเราตะโคมาตะขัดนะครั้งที่เทนี่อยู่ตรงโปรแกรมให้รวยปนิเทมีตรงไทเทลให้อันนี้ declare สุดแล้วมักสานนะตัวไม่กวยนะแข่งสามเราละโคอาศัยข่าวใหม่ on stage again ไม่กวยนะปานหิวตายนะหิวเราตะโค
กันเฮลอยนี่พี่เจงคนน่ะเนี่ยเด็กๆยังเท่อันนู้นสู้ๆเฮียนไม่ได้ดิให้ตรงห้องที่จ้ามันละโซ่คนบ้าไม่นะข้างหน้ามาโซ่ปะลูกบัวthâu khăn ri khoan bầm cho abadi ca khalau na mình đuôi ba đi thế qua ngô dên mây đầm thâu bận đi khăn cơ khăn lâu kỳ sam ta cần đi cũng dên mây cần lâu đủ Jin bang bukan jauh lana Dingam mai ge alung hai Buat bamai nak khan ham bab jo Tau khang rikwan bab jo Abadi ka khalau na Mig dui ba dik the Ngô dên mây đầm thâu Tông hay hết một trong album này mới hay 2000 ngày được sự bình đồng ký xét đấy Bukan ngài mây dính bằng khâu này xuân xuân ri quay na Linh lâu là dịp đây dịp cứ khăn thai mang na tắt na bầm mây lung hay quạt bầm mây nắng khăn hầm mà cho đầu khăn rưỡi khoan bầm cho abadi ta khalau na mình đuôi ba đi thế Ngô dên mây đầm thâu Ngô dên mây đầm thâu mấy quê nuôi điện đi một thằng khâu lát khăn ăn thế bao tao bộ Nếu có bầm bài bài nó càng qua mình hè thuận hốt tông không đi thế lất khát ta đề dễ lên rôm run rằm đi không vui na mày giạt khát na đề dễ lên rôm hô dầm hô dầm thâu rồi cây khoang mình cây khoang thâu rồi cây luông mình cây luông thâu rồi cho tới cả sầm nề lan can nu gan tới bát đê là gì khả năng để hay đây luông đi mày luông tai mày mặc vui lưng đi quăng hùng lúc cây lâu quê lôi trình nằm là lâu quê tung chẳng khâu đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi de sana puna de pu akhat pui akha na de pu akhat pui akha na de lat akhat na de le rom sun sam di khom pui na mai giát khát na đê dễ lem roáng hô dầm hô dầm giát na thâu đuôi cây khoang mình cây khoang thâu đuôi cây luông mình cây luông thâu đuôi giát tay cả sầm nề lan càng lũ càng cây phát đê là gì khát na đê hay đây cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương và bấm 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 xì đi đất cây đã cuốn ra ra sương mấy cô đó một rất là kê bao tổ mấy bạn xuân dầm đâu khổ đi các gan tất cả bị giá hề các gan khuyên bị chuyển kinh đâu khổ đi các gan khuyên bị chuyển nào mà ta khăn mấy quay kinh chậm mà đâu khô nên na khuyên chậm đâu khô sai hề cũng bị trong hết đi gai bị hô hay sai này lùi đất thế này hà gan đang như thế mới hay hết đi gai cái bị trong cặp bầm hay chết trong thứ gió lúc ấy ô lúc này là một rất là kê sao mình kinh chậm đâu khô mấy quay khoan là khó gần gấp bây giờ thìจะพุ่มรู้ลงตะโหควันไม่ชนะไม่แหวนนะไม่ไงก็โทษใหม่ไม่รู้สมบังโคเต tên ạ thực gần gái về giang hồi ra xa đông hôm nữa mẹ kính trọng nó đó khổ đi kính hắn tất kính hắn đúng không đi sập bùm lu nằm bùm qua nằm giao cung nằm sàng tắt nằm tuồng khét hầu gầy ca gần dầm một cú mê a khang mu a lu xoan a lật xa nằm khang ê giao qua lâu na rô nằm lâm dê đau lòng ô nằm ta cho lâu thề à lung rui cùng ra nghe xa rơi một vắng cung na a lung mình khâu nắng rui quăng băng cả thế vẫn sưu na dập hùng lu a say rơi thao la na nằm hùng hay a khang rơi đi bật thô dầm lầm mà lu su la thô a lu xoan rui nắng ta hoài bầm mê giao qua lu na rô nắng lâm đê cao lòng ô nắng ta che lâu thề à lung rui cùng ra nhé ra rui một quăng cung na a lung mình theo nắng rui cả thế vẫn sưu na thay ra thôi có lúc lâm mà thế du cái nào không thế dòng không đủ một sự na bông bông mò in khơi đưa một sự na bông bù đi u này cùng cả na bông đi không nằm sắm gai mây tay quần bầm mê giao ba lúc na đồ nắng lấp trên cao lòng ô nắng ta trên lâu thề à lung rui cùng ra nhé sẽ rơi một quăng cung na a lung mình theo nắng rui quăng băng cả thế vẫn sưu na giao qua lâu na đồ nắng lấp trên cao lòng ô nắng ta trên lâu thề à lung rui cùng ra nhé rơi một quăng cung na a lung mình theo nắng rui quăng băng cả thế vẫn sưu na tôi có thêm mấy người nữa ta
tuan ku the ani ran sa khong samaya zai ka mai kamai ran mi goi na entertain slau the question tai pa ka loi lau da ni e ko me tu thai contestant pangu tong answer tai popolo pani mi goi na khau mi goi nang king sui nang king lau potiu khang sang hoi e mi te loi ka nai tu e thai ani mi goi na ran gun na ba mi tong results tai pat pani the question to Pakaloi Laudanie. Why do you think Orange Queen Contest is so important for Orange Festival? Give reasons. I repeat, why do you think Orange Queen Contest is so important for Orange Festival? Give reasons.
The answer given by contestant number 3, name Gaising Lungli Pamai. It goes like this. As it says, a thing of beauty is love forever. Likewise, we the pageants are the center of attraction of this festival, even though it is just a small portion. Most of the people have come here to witness not the orange, but to see the pageants. But the organizers and the committee, the rest is not clear. That's the answer given by contestant number 3.
And here is the answer for contestant number 4, Miss TK Darshini. Orange is the pride of Tamenglong, and in association with this, Orange Queen pageant is held very successfully every year, and I believe it is very important because it gives the pageant to the platform and by the opinion in front of the fairly large number of people. And lastly, pageants are one of the best options to express yourself, discover your potential, and challenge our weakness. Thank you.
The answer given by contestant number 6, name N. Selina Chanu. Orange Queen is very much important because it brings all the communities together and help orange growers and promote our orange throughout the world so that the world can taste our only Tamenglong oranges. And this is also a woman empowerment beauty pageant.
And here is the answer for contestant number 8, Miss Helen Kamai. She is given in a bullet point. In the first point, it says it brings all community together as one. In number 2, it says celebrate together as one family. And since it's a great big festival, we should celebrate, also do something better for all the people in the future together. Children are the pillar of the future. And the answer for contestant number 11, Miss Shalina Saikom. Orange Queen is very important as many contestants from different parts of the state come for the contest and came to know more about the state, the Tamenglong's pride that is orange. By winning the crown, one can become the voice of hope and do many things like publicity, and also helps in promotion of orange, which is a very important fruit and is nutritious. Thus, this Orange Queen is very much important for the promotion of the festival and also to encourage the orange grower of the Tamenglong district. Dim the lights.
Đào hai last year trong video clip cassette hay bắt đầu puni mấy người đã dám sống lòng nó bom kho cũng là na mấy người nó rồi na deep breath thiếu sáng dài là năng khuẩn là bom mày title tại declare sự puni thế mấy trong video clip hay matakat mấy người nó dám sống lòng kho. Operator, video clip please.
Queen 2017.
I come from a lovely village located in the Imphal West district of Manipur. Since the day I stepped into the role of beauty pageant, I always dream about winning this title. And finally, my dream has come true. The moment was so precious that I want to cherish it forever in my life. Though I was unable to thank you all at that moment, taking this as an opportunity, I would like to thank you all for your love and support, and especially the organizing committee and people of the Menlong who gave me such a huge platform to inspire the world. Thank you and love you all.
Which will be followed by the first runners-up of 2017 Orange Queen Contest, Lungai Liu Panmai.
And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go.
And in the meantime, may I have the honor to invite the top 5 finalists of the 15th State Level Orange Festival Queen Contest 2018 to walk down the ramp.
So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go.
The top 5 finalists: contestant number 3, contestant number 4, contestant number 6, contestant number 8, and contestant number 11. As the top 5 finalists line up the stage,
Take it or leave it, set me free. What's that crap? I know it all. I got my own life, you got your own life. Live your own life, I set me free. Mind your business and live my business. You know everything, Papa know it all. Very little knowledge is the
Alright.
Stop bugging me, stop bugging me, stop bugging me, stop forcing me, stop fighting me, stop bugging me, stop bugging me.
to crown the queen, may I invite the last year Orange Queen 2017, Sangeeta Thiam.
It must have been something you said.
And the first runners-up 2017 Orange Queen Contest, Lungai Liupanmai. Queen will be crowned by the last year Queen 2017 Sangeeta Thiam. Ladies, ready for the results? Hello to Banglong, ready for the results? Alright, here are the results. Second runners-up, the 15th State Level Orange Queen Contest 2018, second runners-up goes to contestant number 4, TK Darshini, and she will be awarded by Madam Somalashram. Shall we all give her a big hand once more? Second runners-up, Orange Queen Contest 2018, contestant number 4, TK Darshini. Will be awarded a cash prize of 60,000, a glittering crown, and citation. Congratulations, TK Darshini. Thank you, Madam. And the first runners-up. The first runners-up is contestant number 6, and Selena Chano. Will be awarded by Lungai Liupanmai, the first runners-up of the Orange Queen Contest 2017. A cash prize of 90,000 rupees, glittering crowns, citation. Contestant number 6, and Selena Chanu, first runners-up 2018 Orange Queen Contest. Shall we all give her a big hand? Thank you, ma'am. And the Orange Queen 2018 gets to the 15th state level Orange Queen 2018 is none other than the contestant number 11, Shalina Saikom. And the Queen of 2017, Sangeeta Thiam, will crown the Orange Queen 2018 contestant number 11, Shalina Saikom. Congratulations! She will be awarded, the Queen will be awarded with a cash prize of 1,20,000 rupees, a glittering crown, and citation. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, contestant number 3 and 8 for being in the top 5 finalists. You may please. Music please as the girls walk. The second runners-up, the first runners-up, and the Orange Queen 2018. Mấy quên là bọn hiểu suy, là bọn hiểu lòng, là cao răng, là cao lục khổ. And we pay our respect and thanks to the jury member as well. Thank you so much, sirs and madams. The Orange Queen 2018 is Shalina Saikom. prize for contestant number 3 and 8. Hello, Tamanglong. Ninh tàu lột tân nụ ê. 4th and 5th place call contestant number 3 cái này 8 consolation prize 15,000 each hay nai na bam puni mi hay cái này họ ti tăng lâu puni 15,000 rupees each for the 4th and the 5th position holder, the contestant number 3 and 8. Music, please. Chuan cụ thể mấy quay nè nan niên sân ní khang sập lâu na mấy tuồng com la liam à cả thuồng mấy giáo suy nè giáo lâu mấy khang support suy nè sư lâu mấy khang mấy bay nè tận đáy nè tuần cụ ê jury cả quay tận ní mấy quay nè thuần cụ mấy sư lâu nè bọn hiểu suy nè hiểu lâu đó khó. We have consolation prize of cash award 15,000 each for the 4th and the 5th position holder, the contestant number 3 and 8. London Apongotang my State Level Orange Festival 2018. Tuang Kamung Hai Mikoranangan Lote. Tamanglong Kapum Koroi, Tamanglong District Kapum Koroi, Kani District by Thangroi, Kani from any other cities in India and from every nook and corner of the world. Thank you so much for witnessing the 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018 and we wish you good night. Thank you. Mong gai là khâu mấy quay nè. Tí thai là quê chót bằng tí thần. Hello, pronounce the time cái yaks to my phone là cái thing lao na bố mẹ thao tuần so quang ai nóng sinh bút cái tôm bị lung hello là bố tiêu không giang hoài mi tôi nghe phone là cái thing lao na bố mẹ nóng sinh bút cái tôm mày nó quang lo là bố